Alright, so we made our backdrop with a shoebox, we cut it out, and then we made our background with construction paper. As you can see, we have cute clouds, and then we have our little chickens, and a stop sign, and a crosswalk with the road.
We cut holes here, 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 and here.
Alright, so now we've attached the car. It's going 80 miles per hour.
That's the chicken, and it goes 5 miles an hour.
Alright, so as you can see, their distance from the crosswalk and their distance between each other make a right triangle. And as you pull them together, the distance between the car and the chicken is changing at a constant rate.
Haley's on the highway driving 80 miles an hour. She's too busy texting to see the stop sign and the chicken crossing the road. If the chicken is moving at 5 miles an hour and is 3 feet away from Haley's lane, it is 330 feet away from the crosswalk. At what rate is the distance between Haley and the chicken changing? And then, will Haley hit the chicken? If not, by how many seconds will Haley miss the chicken?
Okay, so our problem was a Pythagorean theorem, and then in order to find the rate at which the hypotenuse changed, we had to find the derivative of the Pythagorean function. So we did that. We have 2c times dc over dt equals 2a dA over dt plus 2b over dB over dt. And then to do that, we know all these functions, or these values, so all we have to find is c. Okay, so we plugged in our speed, 80 miles per hour, 5 miles per hour. We're still looking for dc over dt, at what rate this is changing. And then we found our c by using the Pythagorean theorem, as you can see here. Okay, so we solved for dc over dt, and we got approximately 80 miles per hour.
So the next part of the question is, will Haley hit the chicken? So we're going to determine what time the car and the chicken hits the crosswalk, and if that's the same time.
Okay, so if the car is going 80 miles per hour, so 3,600 seconds, then we want to determine how many seconds will it take for 330 feet. And the same thing for the chicken. If it's going 5 miles per hour, at what time will it reach 3 feet? Okay, so for the times for the car, it got there in 2.8 seconds, and the chicken got there in 0.41 seconds. So now we just have to subtract them, and that's approximately 2.4 seconds. So no, Haley does not hit the chicken by 2.4 seconds.